Alright guys, we got our honey. Alright, this is a standard spray bottle that you could get at any big box store. Find it anywhere actually. Take some honey, okay? I'm gonna spray some. There's a good amount. No real set amount. That was about a teaspoon, a tablespoon. A tablespoon is fine. And then I'm gonna take some warm water, as warm as you can get it from the faucet, and fill it to, we'll fill it to about 10 ounces. Yeah, we'll go up to about 10 ounces. There we go. Now, I'm gonna close up the spray bottle again. Give it a few shakes. Make sure the honey and the water come together. And we're ready to spray. Let's go. Alright, hey everybody, I'm gonna put the honey water trick to the ultimate test today, alright? The honey water trick, I did it last year. It seems to be getting more popular on the internet and around avocado enthusiasts. Basically, you take some honey and some water, mix it together in a spray bottle, and you spray avocado flowers. And the reason why you do that is to attract bees. Bees come onto the flowers, they pollinate the flowers. Pollinated flowers means more fruit, pretty much, right? And that's the idea. And the reason why I'm going to put it to the ultimate test today is because we're going to do it to the Nabal avocado. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the multi-grafted avocado tree. We're standing in front of the multi-grafted avocado tree. I believe now there's like 8 varieties on the tree now. And we're here in Southern California, Zone 10, and we're here in the last day of May, all right, 2021. And Nabal avocado is flowering. This whole section of the tree is the Nabal avocado. Now, the Nabal is notorious for being an alternate bearer, meaning one year is going to make a lot of fruit, and then the next year is not going to make any fruit at all. And I think that's the reason why Nabal never became actually more popular, more mainstream, because the fruit itself is excellent. It's amazing. It's one of the top avocados you can find. And I think this year for the Nabal avocado is an on year, meaning it's made a lot of fruit. So I'm anticipating that next year will be no fruit at all. I've talked to a lot of growers, a lot of farmers, a lot of friends. They tell me that yes, Nabal seems to be very alternate bearer. So that reputation is true. It plays out. And this year is an on year for the Nabal. Check it out. This made a lot of fruit. A lot of fruit here on different parts of the graft. There's a lot of Nabal fruit back here. Let me show you guys. You come with me right here. Here's some more Nabal fruits. A lot of Nabals. There's some more. It's made a lot of fruit. So I'm thinking this is the on year. Now I want an on year next year, the year after, the year after. I want every year to be an on year. I don't want no alternate years where there's no fruit. So I found some Nabal flowers right here actually. Come check it out. Here's some Nabal flowers, and they're open. That means they're open for pollination. It's open season. That means bees can come and pollinate these flowers right there. So I'm gonna sweeten it up for bees. I want more bees to come. So I'll just spray the flowers with this honey water, and that will attract some bees. There you go. I'll give it a few sprays, and hopefully we get some bees coming on. Now a lot of people will say you're gonna get ants when you do this. I've yet to see a single ant. And I've been doing this honey spray trick since last year, and I spray once a month. By the way, I'm going to spray these flowers once a month until we see some fruit. Here's some more flowers here. Come check it out. Can you see that? Spray them up, and some more back there. Spray them. Give them a few sprays in the mist mode. We're not doing this. We're not going to do this one. Check it out. I'm not doing that. That's a direct spray. I'm not a fan of that. I'm more of this fan of this mist, the mist action. Here's some more flowers right here. You see them? Spray them up. Shake the bottle every few moments, and hopefully we'll attract some bees. Apparently, avocado flowers compared to other fruit tree flowers are not attractive. They don't taste so good to bees. So when you put honey on it, then the bees start to love it. And we'll see. I'll check back with you I'll check back with you to see how much fruit we get, if we get any fruit on this Nabal avocado.
All right.
All right, you ready? All right, guys, check it out. Here we are, 2 months later, okay? And we have some avocados. Take a look. Avocados, looking nice. There we go. More. These are Nabals. We have some Nabal avocados. I was expecting 0. Most people I've talked to say they get none after a big year. But we have some. Come check out. Check it out. We have more. More Nabals. Here's another one. This is a great sign. Usually when they make it to this size, which is about, this is about the size of a marble or a small, just smaller than a golf ball. That when it makes to this size, that means it'll very likely hold on to the tree and make it to maturity and ripeness and all that. So that's a great sign. Here's some more. Oh, here's some more down here. Oh, here's a few more. Look, here's more, and then there's more Nabals. Awesome. Great results. Looks like the honey water trick worked. Oh, here's another one. There's another one right there. So we got quite a few actually, more than I expected. Seems like the honey water trick makes a difference, at least this year with this Nabal avocado tree. Of course, I'm gonna be doing this honey water trick constantly throughout the years to test to see how much more effective it is. But for just this year, for a heavily alternate bearing variety like Nabal, it seems like we have a pretty decent fruit set. So that honey water trick makes a difference. It also helps that on the other side of this tree, which is the multi-grafted avocado tree, on the other side is of an A-type variety called Jan Boyce. That's an A-type, Nabal is a B-type. So those flowers are open at different times of the day, male, female. There's some cross-pollination that occurs. That helps as well, in addition to the honey water trick. So those two can make a difference. There it is, folks. If you have any questions, of course, as always, let me know. Let me a comment, a like, subscribe, as usual, and thank you for watching. Bye. Have a good day.